Okay guys, so in this video I'll be introducing what we call a number system. Now when we see the word number system, basically what should come to our mind is a system whereby we could add, subtract, multiply and divide numbers. Okay, so majorly when you were in the lower levels in school, say primary school, junior secondary, most times they don't bother you with the activities you carry on. Say for example, if I have something as 5 plus 8, okay, now they only told you that whenever you add up 5 plus 8, this should give us around what? It should give us around 13. Okay, now what if I have 59 plus 45? Now whenever we are adding numbers like this, now something comes up. Okay, now because when I add up 9 plus 5, I get 14. Now I can't write up that 14 here. Okay, the reason is because of this number system. Now what number system is all about is to guide you, or to have a general rule of adding, subtracting, multiplying and division of numbers. So under number system, we have several number systems. Okay, so we have numbers that are within 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 10. So there are two major important number systems that would always touch on as topics. Now if I'm adding a number 9 plus 5 to give me 14, this is under number base 10. Base 10. Base 10 is the default number system that we use in our addition and subtraction process, right? So for this case, say I have 9 plus 5, which is 14. I can't write the 14 here. Why? Because 14 exceeds the number base. So whenever we are counting under this number system, when I get to the base number, it's like a wrap. If you remember with me, it's just like frequency. When we are counting with a frequency under statistics, when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, we wrap it up like this to be 5. Then we'll start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, we wrap it again. So also is this one. Whenever we get to 10, we can't write down the whole number. Now for this case, if I want to do anything here, if I want to continue, all I need to do is put down 4, carry this 1 to the next position here. Now that's a 10 I'm carrying forward. So so after adding 5 plus 4, that will give me 9, plus this 1, that will give me 10. That will help me get 104, right? Now the reason why I had to carry this 1 forward was because we are under a number based system that is 10. We can't write down 10. Whenever you're working with the number base system 10, you can't write down the number 10. You can only write down numbers that are lower than 10, that is 1 to 9. Now another interesting base system that would concern ourselves with, because this is Jamb, this series of videos I'll be doing on this number system will be majorly Jamb questions. So now the other number based system that is important is base 2, or you can call it binary numbers. Now these numbers are called binary numbers because, as you can see here, this is 2. So the only set of numbers we can have between this number based system is 0 and 1. So the numbers has to be less than 2. For base 10, we can have from 1 to 9. So those are numbers less than 10. That's 1, 2 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whenever we do up any addition, we can just write it down. Alright? So the two major number system that we'll be working with is numbers base 10 and what? Base 2. Now there are relationship that connects this number base system. Like if I have a number that is in base 10, this number 59 now is in base 10, 45 is in base 10. So if I have a number in base 10, I can convert it to a number in base 2 or a binary number. So also if I have a number in binary form, that's base 2, I can convert it back to base 10. Alright? So this is what we'll be doing in this series of lessons. So in the next lesson, I'll be showing us how to convert a number that is already in base 10. Now these are numbers that we already know how they came about. We already know them. That's our usual number of 56, 30, 40. Those are numbers we are used to. We were working with right from when we were in our primary schools till you get to SS3. After SS3, you're now writing Jamb. So these are numbers we are used to. So we'll see how we can convert, or how, when we say we are converting, we are basically saying we want to write this number in another form, and that form is in base 2 binary numbers. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. All right.